I'm Ian. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Chariot. Chariot's the fastest growing all-in-one moving company software, also known as the moving company CRM. In this video, I'll give you a quick overview of our product and how we've helped other moving companies. Ultimately, I'd love to meet you, talk about your moving company, and see if we're the right software partner for you. Chariot exists because running a moving company is really hard, as you probably know. There's so much complexity across sales, scheduling, operations, dispatch, back office management, and move day itself. And so for most moving company owners that we run into, we see a few common challenges. Issues with sales efficiency, because sales can take a long time, it's hard to keep track of follow-ups and spend money on the right marketing sources. Time-consuming administrative work from repetitive data entry across your processes, and costly mistakes that get made as a result of lack of organization or just challenges of managing all the things that go into a moving company. So Chariot is an all-in-one moving company software to make these aspects easier. A few ways that we help. First, on the sales side, one of our most popular features is our web form. Of course, it allows you to put this in your website and collect basic information about the customer. But what's unique is that if a customer is willing to, they can keep going, putting in information like their location details, a full inventory list, and answering other questions that you ask in your sales process, giving you all that information up front so you don't have to ask for it later. That means that when a lead comes into Chariot from the web form, it comes in with details about the customer, details about each address, including Google Street Views, as well as travel details and notes. Of course, you can take down this information manually as well, or even send that web form to the customer by text or email so they can fill it out for you at any given time. Another thing we help with is inventory. For moving companies to take inventories, this can be really time consuming. 15 to 20 or 30 minutes over the phone, or maybe even an on-site estimate being required to get that information. With Chariot, of course, customers can give you that information, but if you need to take it down, we have tools that make this really easy to do, really fast, whether you're on-site or in the office, so you can keep up with your customer, get that inventory down, be prepared for the move, and move on to the next step. And then, Chariot makes estimating easier, faster, and more consistent. Chariot helps you predict how long a move might take and how many movers are required based on your assumptions. You can always tweak them. And then you can build any type of estimate, multi-day projects, or anything else with just a few clicks and load any template of your common estimates so that you can email and text them right to the customer where they can sign digitally on any device and pay a deposit if you include one. If a lead doesn't book so quickly, Chariot helps you stay on top of all the different leads or sales opportunities in your funnel. You can see all of those opportunities at a glance, organized by stage, sort by recent activity, estimate opens, or anything else that helps you prioritize. And when it comes to communicating with the customer and following up, we have tools like two-way texting, unlimited, where you can text back and forth, similar to your phone, and automated emails and text reminders. So these can be things like estimate reminders, and downstream of that, pre-move reminders, so you don't have to do that work, and ultimately that your process is smoother. We also have a schedule, so we're connecting the sales and operations together seamlessly. From the month view like this, you can see what days are booking up, what days you have demand, and what days you might be overbooked and need to rent a truck. And when you dive into one of these days in Chariot, it acts like a kind of souped up Google Calendar built for movers, where you can schedule and book all of your job events for any type of job, rearrange your schedule easily, take notes so everyone is on the same page, track your capacity, and then finally dispatch. So whether it's a day or two before the move, you can just drag and drop movers who are available and resources that are available over and let them know what they're working on by text with just one click. Movers also use Chariot. Managing movers, recruiting movers, this can all be so difficult, and movers have such a hard job themselves. So Chariot makes this easier. Movers can see their schedules digitally, so they're prepared ahead of time. When they start the job, they can clock their times, they can send the customer text messages that they're on their way and that they're arriving. They can take photos on the job, producing the issues of claims that are unnecessary from your customers. We have digital bills of lading customized to you that are easy to fill out and e-sign. And at the end of the move, we make calculating the bill and getting paid for that easy, whether you're in the field or in the office. All this information flows through right into Chariot, so you can see when the movers are done and see all the information about what happened on move day. Hopefully everything is collected and paid right in the field. It also syncs to QuickBooks, and we help you increase the amount of high quality reviews you're getting by making it easy via our tools to send out review requests to customers who had a great experience. Finally, reporting. It's so important for any business, including moving, that you know how you're performing and where you can improve. So Chariot, with all that information in one system, delivers those insights to you, whether telling you where you're getting the most leads from, what are the most effective marketing sources, how accurate your estimates are, or generating reporting like payroll reports that help you streamline many of your back office tasks. We're always adding reports, and if the data is in Chariot, it's yours to use. So just reach out to us and we'll help you get what you need. So this is just a preview of Chariot. We're literally adding code every day. By the time you watch this will be out of date. We'd love to show you the latest, learn more about your moving company, and ultimately see if we are the right software partner for you. Hope to meet you soon.